Sabi nga kanina ni Pat, hindi namin alam kung congratulations is the right word because finally after 7 years, narito yung inaasam-asam at ipinanalangin, no, answered prayer na guilty verdict para dun sa 10 na fraternity members. And you were there yesterday dun sa korte nung narinig mo yung pagbigkas ng guilty. Ano ba yung naramdaman mo?
Ay, well, syempre ang naramdaman po namin, I'll parang narrate muna what happened before that.
Go ahead po.
So, nung pumasok na po yung judge, and then we were already, nakatayo na po kami to welcome the judge, and nagro-roll call na po yung judge. Yung iniisa-isa na po niya yung mga lawyers and the prosecutor, isa-isa na po silang nagsasalita ng mga name nila. And then we all sat down and doon na po ako na-touch. Hinawakan na po nung lead prosecutor namin, si Fiscal Olive Torrevillas or Chief Olive Torrevillas. Hinawakan na po niya yung kamay ko eh. And sabi niya, we are doing this for justice, we're doing this for Acho. Sabi niya, and we are just doing our job. Before basahin yung guilty beyond reasonable doubt. So, dun pa lang po, naiyak na po ako eh. Kasi, you know, they did their job beyond what is expected. Pero yun nabalik nila yung, yung nabigyan kami ng justice, tapos nabalik nila yung buhay namin eh. Nabigyan din niya kami ng peace. Then when the guilty verdict was said, and guilty beyond reasonable doubt, para pong nabunutan ako ng tinik, para bang yung magdi-defend ka ng thesis, tapos sabi ng prof mo, okay, pasado ka na. Parang ganun po yung pakiramdam, and even maybe 10 or 100 times ganun po yung pakiramdam namin. And then, wala. Tuloy-tuloy na po yun. Umiyak na po ako noon. Umiyak na po yung asawa ko. And I was with Attorney Kapunan. And we were all holding hands together and, savoring the moment na finally we got the justice. Nabalik po yung dignidad sa anak ko. And napatunayan namin na hazing is a practice of that aegis juris fraternity.
Mamini, were all your prayers answered? Diba? Kasi pag nagfa-file po kayo ng kaso, may prayer po doon na hinihiling ninyo, no? Kung ano po ang, sa tingin nyo po ang karapat-dapat. Were they all answered? Was it reclusio perpetua? Pati yung monetary po, no? Yung pagbayad po, lahat ho ba yan nasagot? O may pagkukulang pa po sa hustisya po na ibinigay po sa inyo?
Nasagot po lahat. Walang kulang, walang labis. It was all, kumbaga sabi ko nga, it was a perfect conviction. I'm very, very grateful and thankful for that guilty verdict.
Yes.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.